Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a happy family life. In this video, we'll be discussing ways to improve communication, increase quality time, and build strong family bonds. Number 1. One of the key components to a happy family life is effective communication. This means actively listening to each other, expressing feelings and concerns, and being open to compromise. Number 2. Another important aspect of a happy family life is spending quality time together. This can be done through regular family meals, game nights, and outings or activities that everyone enjoys. Number 3. Building strong family bonds also plays a crucial role in creating a happy family life. This can be done by regularly expressing love and appreciation, being supportive of one another, and participating in shared hobbies or interests. Number 4. Remember, every family is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. The most important thing is to find what works for your family and make it a priority. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.